The SRV 250 debuted as a traditional V-twin, providing both a fun ride and pride of ownership. In fact, Yamaha saw the swell of interest in the 60s style cafe races. However, rather than opt for a big single like BSA Gold Star or Velocette Truxton, or a twin of the parallel variety like Triumph Bonneville or Norton Atlas, or even a big V-twin, Vincent, naturally, they chose the lower end of the displacement scale, a 250. In their range, Yamaha already had a donor motor that could be plugged straight from the rather naff but undeniably popular XV250 Virago, a sort of mini Harley cruiser. The XV250 was in a fairly mild state of tune, more power was called for, so the XV engine underwent some tweaking. With a very under-square configuration of 49mm bore and 66mm stroke, the XV mill wasn't really designed as a rever, more a plotter with plenty of torque in keeping with its learner target market. The SRV, however, while still learner legal in Australia, it was pitched at a more discerning market, and the engineers in Japan managed to extract an extra 6 horsepower without destroying the pleasant character of the engine. The 60 degrees V-twin engine was based on the XV250 Virago's unit, but had an all-new intake and exhaust system. The bike's orthogonal engine mounting method, a first for a Yamaha V-twin model, helped create the SRV 250's enjoyable V-twin feel on the road, and developing the bike's sound was also a point of focus, as the team worked to bring the exhaust note closer to the 1F fluctuation found in the natural world. In fact, the SRV was possessed of a surprising turn of speed. In place of the XV single VDS26 Mikuni carb, there were two such carbs, a sportier camshaft, different ignition timing and slightly lower final gearing. For some reason, the compression ratio dropped from 10.01 to 9.51. In real terms, the SRV developed almost 30% more power than the XV, with 20% more torque. By necessity, the SRV tipped the scales a few kilos, 4.8, heavier than the XV, a larger fuel tank, twin instruments and so on contributing to the weight gain.